Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of one of the most versatile fruits out there, the lemon. You know, that bright yellow citrus fruit that's often just relegated to flavoring our water or adding a bit of zest to our dishes? Well, it turns out lemons are a powerhouse of nutrients and can provide a wide range of health benefits. From boosting your immune system to improving your skin health, lemons have a lot to offer. Let's get started. Let's talk about the immune system. Lemons are here to help. Packed with vitamin C, they support our immune function. Vitamin C is the captain of your body's defense team. It also helps reduce inflammation. Now let's move on to digestion. We've all experienced that uncomfortable feeling of being bloated or having indigestion. Lemons can be your best friend for digestion. They stimulate digestive enzymes, essential for breaking down food. Think of these enzymes as little helpers in your gut. Citric acid in lemons can help prevent kidney stones. We all know how important staying hydrated is, right? But sometimes, plain water can get a little boring. That's where lemons come in. Adding lemon enhances flavor and encourages more drinking. Lemons are a good source of electrolytes, particularly potassium. Electrolytes maintain fluid balance and support muscle function, so add a slice of lemon for an extra boost. Now, for those of you who are watching your weight, listen up. Lemons can be a helpful tool in your weight management journey. First off, they're naturally low in calories, which is always a plus. But here's the interesting part. Lemons contain a type of fiber called pectin. Pectin is known for its ability to promote feelings of fullness and reduce appetite. This means that adding lemon to your diet might help you feel more satisfied after meals, making it easier to manage your calorie intake. Let's talk about skincare for a moment. Who doesn't want healthy, radiant skin? Well, lemons can give you that natural glow-up you've been looking for. As we talked about earlier, lemons are packed with vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for collagen production. Collagen is like the scaffolding that holds our skin together, keeping it firm and youthful. But that's not all. Lemons also possess powerful antioxidant properties that help fight free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage our cells, leading to premature aging and skin problems. Chapter 6. A healthy heart is a happy heart. Lemons for cardiovascular health. Now let's talk about something that's close to all of our hearts: heart health. Maintaining a healthy heart is essential for a long and vibrant life, and lemons can play a supportive role in this area too. Lemons contain compounds called flavonoids, which have been shown to have beneficial effects on heart health. Flavonoids act as antioxidants, protecting your blood vessels from damage and reducing inflammation. Chapter 7. Natural detox. How lemons help your body reset. Let's face it, we live in a world where we're constantly exposed to toxins, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. It's no wonder that our bodies could use a little help with detoxification sometimes. Well, drinking lemon water can be a great way to support your body's natural cleansing processes. Think of it as giving your internal systems a refreshing rinse. Fresh breath forward, lemons for oral health. Finally, let's talk about something that's important for all of our social interactions: fresh breath. Nobody wants to be that person with bad breath, right? Well, lemons can come to your rescue here too. The citric acid in lemons acts as a natural antibacterial agent, helping to neutralize odor-causing bacteria in your mouth. So if you're looking for a natural way to freshen your breath, consider adding a squeeze of lemon to your water or gargling with diluted lemon juice. Lemon power, unlocking the benefits of this citrus superstar. And there you have it, folks. 8 amazing benefits of lemons that can improve your health and well-being. From boosting your immune system and aiding digestion, to improving your skin and supporting your heart, lemons are a true gift from nature. Remember, incorporating lemons into your diet is easy and delicious. Add them to your water, Squeeze them over salads, use them in marinades, or enjoy a refreshing glass of homemade lemonade. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.